So on the basis of shape and solubility, the proteins are divided into two main types. The first type is fibrous protein and the second one is globular protein. First, talking about fibrous protein. The fibrous protein are basically long and rod shaped molecules which are insoluble in water. So we can also call them as non-polar molecules. Fibrous proteins are physically tough. The reason why these fibrous proteins are non-polar is because they contain high concentration of hydrophobic amino acid in them. They usually have a single type of secondary structure. The example of fibrous protein include silk fibrion, the keratins which are found in horn, hair, nail, etc. Collagen, which is majorly found in connective tissues such as ligaments and tendons. Fibrous proteins are generally polypeptide chains which are basically arranged either in long strand or sheets, and they provide the major function of fibrous protein is providing strength, shape and flexibility to the tissue in which they are present. Next, talking about the globular protein. Globular protein are more compact as compared to the fibrous protein which are long. So globular protein are compact and spherical molecules. These are soluble in water, so they are polar in nature. And the non-polar part of these globular protein occur in the interior side of these protein. The non-polar part of this protein occur in interior side, which is not in contact with the aqueous solvent, and the charged polar residues are located on the surface. So due to this reason, because the charged polar residues are on the surface, that's why these globular proteins are soluble in water. Example of some major globular protein is myoglobin and hemoglobin, and these globular proteins contain several types of secondary structure, or we can also call them as subunit. So they have many subunit in them. So multimeric proteins होते हैं globular proteins. Polypeptide chain जो होती है globular protein की, it is folded in globular or spherical structure. And the examples of globular protein include enzymes, transport proteins, motor proteins, immunoglobulins, etc. And also they are also the regulatory protein are also the example of globular proteins.